Alright, there's my grill lighter, there's my punks, there's my bag of fireworks. I'm gonna show you I got my setup. You'll be seeing all this in just a bit. I'm gonna edit all this together and go down. I was gonna do it down by the water like I did last year, but the boat is down there, so I don't want to catch the boat on fire. So I went out and got me a big piece of good hunk of metal here. I'm gonna turn my light on. Give me a second. Good hunk of metal here, see it reflecting. Fire everything off the top of that. Got me 2 different 2 liters full of water, so we should be good. Let's go back up to the porch and see what kind of fireworks I got. I spent about $25. I can remember back in the day going with like $20 bills at a fireworks stand, and you got like a sack full. Now, no, not as much. But I'm buying different stuff. I was buying like bottle rockets and crap like that. I wanted to blow stuff up. Now I just want pretty colors. So what I got is, and this ain't in any kind of order, we got a 100 shot magic barrage. Say that for the last thing. This is a crackling mine. This is a pretty little bird. I don't know what any of this stuff does. I just got stuff that look cool. Color pearl flowers, 48 shots. And then I got one of these last year and loved it. So this is the Rock On. That thing went off for a couple minutes. Okay, let's get down here. I'm gonna prep all these. I'm gonna cover the fireworks later. That was. Oh, it ain't over.